Welcome to the ProStructures Concrete Modeling Learning Path. In this video, you will learn how to use the Fall Slab feature tool. It only works on slab elements. First, open the level display and make sure the Add Slab Features level is enabled. Go to Home tab, Concrete Placement, and in the drop-down from the Slab tool, select Add Slab Feature. With the dialog window open, set the following values in the fall area. Depth 1 foot, depth to 0, and uneven fall enabled. Now click on Create Fall by Polyline, select the slab, select the Smart Line, choose the depth 1 point at inner point of triangle, then choose depth 2 point at midpoint of outer edge. The fall has been created. You have now learned how to create a fall in concrete slab.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.